What's up, y'all? Who wants to see some 46-year-old technology? I know, you're looking at me going, that guy's older than 46. Right here. 46-year-old technology. I bought these 46 years ago. I remember when I bought them. I was the assistant manager of an auto parts store. That was back when I was poor. Batteries were expensive. 4-gauge, 16 feet long, nice heavy-duty clamps, and they have not failed or let me down yet. Do I carry these in my truck when I go overlanding? Hell no. Here's your new technology. This is a jump starter. This will jump start your car. It'll do all kinds of other things too, but its main purpose is to provide you with a jump start on your car. This right here is about the size of a shoebox for small kids' shoes maybe. Unfortunately for me, out with the old, in with the new, and I'm gonna be able to carry this in my recovery gear box. Let's get this open and see what's inside. What's in the box? Come on, man. What's in the box? Oh, all products that are shown in this video will be linked in the description, including my cool little knife. I love this knife. So, what do we got here? We got what's called an E-Power by Andeman, A-N-D-E-M-A-N, model number 199. Lithium-ion battery, peak current, 4,000 amps. Battery capacity, 88.8 watt hours. It's got a USB-C, or two of them, inputs. It looks like it's got two outputs. It's got a quick charge output and another output for DC voltage, 15 volts, 10 amps. Super fast recharging time, which means time saving and efficiency. 2-inch LCD screen. Ooh, I'm already liking what I'm seeing. Look at this. I like this nice, neat little carry pack. It is not Molly compatible. I just love saying that. Open it up. Neatly packed. Look at this. One side of this is your charger. Look at that. And then on the other side over here, zipper mesh pockets with all of our goodies. So this is what we came here for. This is gonna start your car. Here's what I like about this. This makes self-recovery. It means you can jump start your car without having to walk to the road and go, hey, help me. Holding up the jump cables. I need a jump. God, that is so annoying. And no one today, 2023, wants to stop or help anybody else. Plain and simple. Now here's your little adapter. It's gonna plug into this and give you a car charger ports. And then you've got a USB-C to USB-C, and you've got a 120 volt charger, which is USB-C. So it looks like you got a 16.8 volt charger here to charge this up. And then you've got a very long detailed instruction manual. We are lucky. English is at the front, and it is only 11 pages long. Push it one time. Looky there. 86, whatever that means. 86%, I'm assuming, but I'm gonna briefly read through the manual so you don't have to. On the bottom here, it's got 4 outputs. One of them is a USB-C. One of them is that little round thing that you plug in your cigarette lighter adapter. So if you need to plug in a cigarette lighter to get light up your cigar or cigarette. The other 2 in the middle are your USB, I guess regular old USBs. A, the old-fashioned one that you can plug in your iPhone, and it's got a 5, 9, and 12 volt on the blue one, and on the white one, 5 volts, 2.4 amps. So that'd be good for charging up your GoPro or your quadcopters. Pretty cool. Everything is sealed. Top right here, separate from everything else. It's where your car charger will go. Did I mention to you that once fully charged, this thing has a 2-year super long standby time? So you charge this up, stick this in your car, never use it for 2 years, and it'll be there for you. The manufacturer claims they're using the highest quality electric cells and electronic chips inside there. So that is your battery charger. Look at this. Those feel pretty good. Those feel pretty strong. I don't know if you can see inside there all those springs, but that right there feels good. But that has got good build quality. That's gonna get a good bite on your battery. The rest of this stuff is just normal stuff. Let me read the manual and I'll be right back. It's charging. Remember, it came at 86, it's at 90. There's only one place for this to plug into. You cannot screw this up. This is what it looks like when it's fully charged. 100. Now let's go play with it. All right, so I read the manual of the 11 pages, which is really only about 6 pages, because then it goes into a lot of legal disclaimer, warning, yada yada, safety instructions, troubleshooting. So it's really only about 6 pages of reading. But check this out. This is not something I was expecting, but I'm pleasantly surprised. See this right here? Press and hold it. You get a flashlight. That's low. That's high. That's strobe. SOS. One more time, and you've got your red cycling stuff. If you need to set this down on the road while you're working or doing something, people can see you. Pressing one more time, and it goes off. You got a display of 100. Anything below 65, you should not use this to start your car, unless you hit boost. Now, when you hit boost, it'll tell you whether or not you can start it. Right now it says start. So you're good to start. Plug in the jumper cables, hook them up to your battery, and start your engine. It's that simple. All the instructions are here. You're gonna need to read them yourself because you're not gonna remember this by the time you order this. Press it for 6 seconds or until all the lights go off, and this thing is ready to be stored again. I like this. I'm glad that ePower sent this to me. This is going in my recovery box. Jump starter, 11 FJ Cruiser. I got a good battery. I can make this work by disconnecting the negative, and hooking the negative cable up to this and the positive up to the battery terminal, and this thing will start it up first time, no questions asked. I've done my homework. I've done your homework. I've looked through all the videos on Amazon. I've looked at all the videos on YouTube. The technology is here today, and they all work with a fully charged charger. For the sake of the review and the demo, I am not going to disconnect my negative battery. Why? Because this car is full of electronic stuff. For 2011, I've got Bluetooth, I've got Wi-Fi, I've got satellite radio, I've got all my presets on my radio, clock, compass. I don't feel like spending the most frustrating 3 hours of my life putting all that stuff back together. If you don't trust me, then why did you watch the video this long? Go do your own homework. Go watch everybody else's videos. These things work. I highly recommend this. It's going into my recovery gearbox right now before I even upload the video for editing. Ooh, reading on the back of here. Starting current, 500 amps. Hello, McFly. That's gonna start up a diesel. This thing will start up your super douchey F-250 Ford truck. So starting current, 500 amps, peak current, 4,000 amps, battery capacity, 88.8 watt hours. In case you lose the instructions, it even shows you right there on the back how to do this. Now go get you one of these things. If you want to go do your own homework, go ahead. But like that girl you used to pay in high school to do your homework for $5, I've done all your homework for you. These things work. The technology is here today. And this is on sale today. Go to Amazon and pick you one of these things up. I guarantee it. That's it. I'm out here. See ya. I'm out here. Oops. That wouldn't do. That wasn't smart. There with my flashlight. Hello. Still works.